Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Kaisar Sepram Priyadi. I am delighted to opportunity to introduce myself. My motto in my life is never give up if you problem to calm yourself. I believe this mindset has helped me overcome various challenges and continue striving towards my goals. One of my special talents is playing soccer or football. I have participated I have participated in several school competition. Enjoy every moment of it. Additionally, I am passionate about gaming. Gaming. I have had the honor of winning a Mobile Legend competition between in my school, which was a significant achievement for me. Recently, I had exciting adventure game Mount Gede, which this mount located in West Java. It was an incredible experience that my tests and activities allowed my connect its nature. It as the it activities like this that keep and get motivate in my life. Looking forward my dream become someone who is valuable my nation, my country, and my religion. I aspire I aspire to contribute and I contribute positively and society and make meaningful impact my community. One of our reason in learning English is to broaden my horizon. I want to expand my network, make friends from different countries, and explore opportunities international business. I believe that being proficient in English will help me achieve these goals and provide numerous benefit both my personal life. Will take this moment expect to my well, no. For Mr. Duffy and Miss Shara, thank you for teaching me on one uh, teaching me toward this semester. See you. Thank you. My name is Kaisa. Thank you. See you again.